Hello everyone, welcome back to CEHv8 Module 2 Footprinting and Reconnaissance. So in this module also we'll not go and have a look on all the slides that are available. Total slide is 171, and if you go through all the slides I think it will take hours. I think probably 1 or 2 hours. Rather I leave it to you and you just go through all the slides, and if you cannot understand you can just contact me. We'll just go through the summary and we'll focus more on a practical side, our lab session. So in this video we'll cover the summary, and on the next video we'll go and look on the lab session. So module summary is: footprinting is refers to uncovering and collection as much as information as possible about your target. So if you have a target and you want to get more information, footprinting is the process that covers and collect all necessary information about your target. It also reduces the attacker's attack area on a specific range of IP, address, network, domain, and remote access, etc. So in this process you also reduce the attacker's area, so you can focus on a specific IP and network, domain, or remote access. So attacker use search engine to extract information about the target. So you are not directly attacking your attackers, but what you are doing is you are using a search engine to search and extract information about your target. Not you are directly, or you are not an active attacker, you're just in a passive mode. So in a passive mode what you do is just without touching your target, you are just using a third party or search engine to get information that you need to attack on your target. It's a passive phase, not an active. So you must understand a passive and an active. In a passive you are not directly contacting or directly attacking to your target. It's just a passive way. Is you are indirectly doing a attack. That means you are using some kind of search engine or third party tools just to get information of a target. Information obtained from a target website enables attacker to build a detailed map of website structure and architecture. So if you are attacking a website, you can get the information of the hosted, where it is hosted, domain name, and where it is hosted, and all the detail that of the is built on which structures or which framework is using. So all this information you gather in your first step, that is footprinting. Competitive intelligence is the process of identifying, gathering, analyzing, and verifying using information about a competitor. Suppose you are doing some competitive intelligence, then you need to gather as much as intelligence, or at least a large amount of information about your competitor. So what they are doing, what's their new product, what's the pricing, how they are dealing with their customers. So all these things you need to keep in mind as a competitive intelligence. DNS record provide important information about your location and type of services that are hosting or using. So attacker conduct trace routes to extract information about network topology, trusted route, and firewall location. An attacker also gathers sensitive information about through social engineering and social networking websites like Facebook, MySpace, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, Google+, etc. So if you are an attacker and if you have a target and you want to gather as much of information, you are using all the online tools that are available to you to gather as much as information possible to go through the attack phase. So in footprinting, what is the main thing is that you gather as much as information as possible of your target. use all the online all the tools that are available to you. You are not directly contacting, or you are not directly engaged with your target, but rather you are just in a passive mode and collecting all the information. So on our lab module, we'll go and use all these available tools, and we'll be selecting few tools that are needed for us, and we'll go and have a look on this tool and use all these tools to do our lab session. So for this model too, I think you just go through all the slides and have a look and go through it, understand it, and if you cannot understand, then you can just contact me. So I think that's all for this video. We'll on the next video we'll cover a lab session for module 2. Thank you for watching.